estimated is of 8.8 to $140,000 a year. So that's just from creating meditation and healing videos. Hello and welcome to our video on how to make money using Chat GPT. In this video, we will be discussing several ways to monetize your content and skills using the powerful language model. You can also make money through YouTube monetization by creating faceless videos and shorts. ChatGPT can be used to generate scripts for these types of videos, which can be monetized through ads and sponsorships. So let's take a look at this meditation and healing channel through Social Blade. So Social Blade is a website where they will provide estimates and the stats for that specific YouTube channel and show the estimated monthly earnings, including the annual. So this has a total B rating, but basically this channel is earning $700 to $11.7 thousand in monthly earning, and estimated is of 8.8 to $140,000 a year. So that's just from creating meditation and healing videos. So going back to making videos, which is point number 2, making videos, or sorry, number 3, YouTube monetization. You can earn, and how much more if you include affiliate marketing. You can combine affiliate marketing, YouTube vlogs, and number 3, YouTube monetization, and your YouTube can earn this amount, $140,000 a year, plus the affiliate marketing that you will be selling in that channel. So that's the amount that you will potentially earn by making YouTube videos, and these videos are even faceless, probably faceless. Look at this. The reason is just a music video. So, and let's convert this to peso, and they're earning 7.7 million a year. 7.7 million pesos a year. That's a lot of money, plus the affiliate commissions. For the third ways how to make money using ChatGPT is through YouTube videos, through monetization by creating faceless videos in shorts, right? Creating videos in shorts. So yeah, I removed the faceless because it's there's a lot of different ways to make videos. If you are shy, then yes, you can make a faceless video, but if you're happy to show your face, then you can also do that. In this part, I've already covered this in number 1 as well, about the YouTube vlogs, but let's go ahead and discuss this in detail. So now there are plenty of ways to make YouTube videos, and what I've discussed earlier is basically by creating a vlog, and you can also monetize your vlog. That will fit in this description here. You can do that as well through vlog, but if you don't want to do a vlog, you can just make information videos, and I'll show you an example for that one. So for example, you type how to meditate for beginners, right? Now you can create this type of videos, and you can ask ChatGPT to help you come up with the what you call that script, or even an ideas, right? Let's do that. So yeah, with that one, ChatGPT is writing you a structure and making a meditation video or how to meditate for beginners with the script. Now you can ask ChatGPT to go more into details in each bullet, but overall, you get the structure and the idea, and you can use this information to another software. You can use Canva again to make the video if you like, or there's another AI that you can generate just through the using this text, and it will automatically generate the videos for you with the subtitles. Now, one of the way to automatically create your videos using the text or your script using another AI is with Lumen 5. I will also include the link in the video description. So basically, transform blog post to video in minutes. Simply pop a link of your blog to get started, and AI automatically generates the video. So you can, I'm sure you can also paste the text for this one. I haven't tried this. There was another platform I was using, but I can't find it right now. But yes, with this one, this is one of the easier way to do it. This is just paid, but if you are serious in making money, then yeah, you can use this one. With just seconds, Lumen 5 will summarize your blog post and use the AI to match each scene with a relevant stock footage. So that will tremendously save you time. Aside from ChatGPT already providing you idea, making the video out of the idea using Lumen 5 will definitely make things better for you. So what you are paying for a Lumen 5 is definitely worth it, and that will allow you to create more videos. In that way, numbers game, the more video you have, the more chances you will your YouTube channel will be monetized and earn that million views to be able to be eligible to earn, to be monetized. So yes, check Lumen 5 as well. But if you join the my list, I will be providing a link there, so you can have all the list, like the product that you can promote, including Lumen 5. You can promote this to your videos as well, your blog posts, and all the ways that I mentioned in these videos. I will be giving you guys a list of what products to promote, to get those information. So make sure to click that link as well, so you can see other AI or websites or apps that you can use to create videos as well. Okay, so for the YouTube shorts, you can simply use Canva, like Instagram. Yeah, use the Instagram story format and do this. There's a lot of ways that you can create videos easily. That one, and add the text, and you can upload that as in your TikTok, Shorts, Reel, and even Pinterest. So the good thing about Pinterest is not just a pin site anymore. You can also upload the Reel type or TikTok type videos there already. And another one is CapCut. You can use your phone or PC for this one, but it's a great tool as well. But then again, I will be making a detailed version or a detailed video for this topic, how to make videos to monetize and shorts. Okay, so make sure to follow my channel to be notified when I release that video. So that's it for now. We'll be making more videos again, how to make money, and I'm doing the detailed part of that as well. Again, if you have any more idea in how to make money using ChatGPT that's not covered in this video, please put them in the comments below, and I'll try to make a video of them. And support my channel, help me reach my first 1,000 subscribers by subscribing and sharing my video. And again, I place the link there for you to sign up, where I can send you a detailed list of information, like where to find products that you can sell using affiliate marketing, be it with the AI niche, technology niche, all of that categories, and I'll send that to you. Just go ahead and click that link, sign up, so you will receive that cheat sheet. Okay, so thank you again, see you in the next video.